Hey, I'm Ksenia. I'm an illustrator, a therapeutic art facilitator, and also a very sensitive human being who found out that drawing can be a way to release emotions, make sense of the feelings, especially the messy ones, but also discover something new about myself every day. So that is why I've created a 7-day mindful drawing challenge where you can explore your inner world, face your feelings, process those feelings, and experience small but very meaningful transformation. In a way, this challenge is magic. This challenge is inspired by Hero's Journey. And if you never heard of this concept, this is a universal storytelling pattern that's been used in fairy tales, myths, and even modern films. So think about it this way. In any story, there is always a main character, the hero, which is you. And in order to experience transformation on the outer level or inner level, this hero has to go through different stages. We will move step by step through resistance, letting go, facing challenges, and finally getting the main reward for your inner strength. And with that reward, that main character will arrive to a new place inside them. That's what we will be drawing in this challenge step by step, day by day. This is very, very easy. You definitely can be a complete beginner. You don't have to have any skills because we're not striving for perfection, but we're using art as a visual meditation where we connect with our feelings and release them through colors, shapes, textures, or anything else visually you want to express it with. Each day, I'll be guiding you through a simple part of information about the hero's journey and also a simple prompt. You will probably need just 20 minutes per day, not much at all, and I usually do it during or after breakfast whilst my toddler daughter is sitting beside me and drawing with her crayons. You can embed this challenge in your everyday life, even if you're very busy, even if you have kids. Or you can do it at the end of the day when everybody is asleep and you have a quiet space for yourself. So the challenge will start on the April 21st, and each day starting from April 21st, I'll be posting a new YouTube video for 7 days. But I also created a private Telegram group that you can join right now. It's a closed, safe space where you can share your drawings, where you can get feedback or ask me questions, and also either share your thoughts with others or quietly seeing what others are doing. You will be not alone in this journey. And in case you're watching this video well past April 21st, I'm planning to keep a Telegram channel alive for some time, so keep an eye on the description for another link. Material-wise, you will need, well, I highly recommend oil pastels. Look at the state. I don't know if my iPhone can focus. Look at the state of my oil pastels and see how much I'm enjoying them. So I highly recommend oil pastels. And in case you think this is for professional artists or it's too difficult to use, no and no, because this is my daughter's oil pastels and I found them amazing. They are so bright, so smooth. There is so much satisfaction just drawing and applying them on paper. And for our purpose, I think this is much better than pencils. However, you can still use the pencils if you don't have much of an option. I would say pencils is a much more controllable option. You will have to think a little bit more when you're drawing with pencil, which takes you away from the present moment. But you can still do it, just make sure your pencils are soft. But the thing with these pastels, I'm not paid for this. The thing with these pastels is that I've never used oil pastels ever in my life. And just 20 or 30 days ago, I started it for the first time. And it's such a fun way to apply color, to play with textures, and it's perfect for mindful drawing. However, if you want to use anything else, go for it. Watercolors, acrylics, normal pastels. Anything works. You will also need a sketchbook. This is my always have dirty materials because drawing is messy and you have to allow yourself to be messy. But simple sketchbook or some paper and a pen to make notes, because apart from drawing, you will be also reflecting in some writing. That wraps it up. I hope that was intriguing and interesting enough for you to join. So either subscribe to this channel not to miss a video starting from April 21st, or join the Telegram channel, as I said. I'd absolutely love to have you with us. Join. This will be very fun.